Advanced manufacturing, like aviation, is all about time, money, and the highest safety standards. But when it comes to wiping and cleaning, Matteo, like everyone else in the industry, uses old rags. Isn't that right, Matteo? Absurd. For example, can you imagine what would happen if a button were to fall into a jet engine? Also, wiping and cleaning is a key area for improving performance, saving both time and money. That's exactly what Tork industrial wipes were designed for. And, unlike Matteo's shirt, they deliver a consistent performance every time, getting your business ready for business.